This is the blue car, freshly back from paint, freshly back from clear eyes, blue. That's it, that's the color, blue. Let's get it built.
You're watching Olsen Spec.
All right, so update on 930. What do we got?
Sound deadening. It's got 3mm butyl, 3mm of foam. This is going to kill all the road noise. This is going to help your climate, AC and heat to be more efficient. When you put in a nice stereo system, it's going to improve the sound.
So two things for heat. The best thing you can do for heat, this on the headliner, you know, above the headliner, glued to the ceiling. We'll talk about glue in a second because that's the bane of our existence. So this on the headliner, and then ceramic tint on the windshield. On all the windows, ceramic tint. You'll have a really nice climate, comfortable car. So this will go in here and it's got to get glued. Let's talk about glue.
This one.
Yeah, that's readily available at your local Walmart.
Home Depot,
yeah.
Menards.
If you can buy it at Walmart, it ain't good enough. Use actual contact adhesive.
Yeah. We like to use this one and spray it out of a gun. This is definitely what you don't want to use, or you'll be redoing it again.
Yeah, this gets you home.
Maybe.
This lasts 20 years.
So as you can see, Preston here is installing the Sound Shield sound deadening foam to the inside of the 930 Blue car. All of the foam is laid in a directional pattern with all the logos facing the same way. It's a minor detail. You're never going to see it. It's going to be under the carpet, behind the door panels, but it's that level of care and attention that we apply to every car we build here at Olsen Motorsports. You probably just paid to have an awesome new speaker installed in your car, and we want you to hear it. That means keeping road noise out and stereo sound in. Not only that, you're going to be way more comfortable with a better climate control and insulation from it. Yeah, it adds weight, but that's a key thing here at Olsen Motorsports. We're not building race cars. We're building the best driving road cars for the street, an experience unlike any other. Now, going on at the same time is the finalizing of the engine for our 930. You may not realize it, but you have seen this engine before, and you've seen it a lot. This is the engine from the 4-part how-to series of the 930 engine build, where Pat is assembling this particular engine all the way from the case to what you see before you. It's a really detailed series and super informative. You guys got to go over and watch it. Now Tim is taking over the rest of the way as some parts were a little delayed in getting to us, so now he's wrapping up the engine. The next thing to go into the Blue 930 is its wiring harness. This particular one is manufactured by Kroon. We've worked with them for a while and they're based out of the Netherlands. They make these wiring harnesses for Porsches and they're perfect fits. Right now, Dave is testing all the connections to make sure it's perfect. No cross wires, no mistakes. This extra time now on the installation we're going to save on the back end. That way we don't have to rip out everything, the carpet, the seats, the interior, should there be a problem down the line. These trim pieces have been custom powder coated. They're beautiful and look like new. Dave is currently installing the window rails and the door handle parts on the car. These powder coated pieces are one of one. You're not going to see this trim color and the brake caliper color on any of our other rides. We also installed a performance Brembo package. It works with the factory system but has upgraded calipers, pads, and discs to really amp up that stopping power. Now keep an eye out for that custom paint that you see in the caliper there. You're going to be seeing that orange a lot more all over the car.
Well,
media guy, shop foreman, getting the media of the new wheels before you do.
you know, I'm also doing other stuff.
I'm sending this video right to Janet.
Good. You better. I'm recording you recording me and not the important stuff.
There goes that one.
I'm filing insurance if I need it.